Yep, sanibonani bafethu. As an Orlando Pirates supporter, I know nobody has done this. I will do it alone. Mr. Rulani Mkwena, we thank you as Ibafana Bafana. You helped Ibafana Bafana in a way that people they are trying to turn a blind eye. Babonge Hugo Bruce. Rulani Mukwena, sir, Mr. Rulani Mukwena, we thank you, brother. We thank you. We thank you. Wuwe oyenze ukuthi Bafana Bafana qualify. And people who are honest, they will agree with me. Rulani Mukwena is the one who made us to qualify. If the ball he taught Sundowns. First 6 games, Bafana ama qualifiers, it was Sundowns. The last four games, we only won 1 and drew 3 or drew or what, but we only won 1 game in which bekudlala ama-player Pirates. Bafethu asimbongeni uRulani Mukwena. If bengasi uRulani Mukwena ngabe i-combination yeBafana Bafana yikho. Remember Hugo Bruce makafika bekayenzani? Bekapika wonke ama-player wawonke ama-team. Asibe neciniso abo-Dupress. There was a time bekapike onke ama-player we-PSL except for ama-player we-Sundowns. There was a time ayenze njalo Hugo Bruce makafika la eSouth Africa. You can check. Yes. You can check. Bambuze Hugo Bruce, why are you not selecting Sundowns? Because he's playing football. He's playing good football. I don't like Sundowns, the way they play, they are too slow. But at the end, wagcina sekayithatha le team ye-Sundowns yonke, in which kwagcina sekukhosteka umsebenzi kaRulani Mukwena. Do you still remember i-Sundowns mayidlala i-Carling Black Label ne-TX Galaxy? Ama-player bewakuBafana Bafana, but i-PSL beyifosta ukuthi i-Sundowns idlale. That's when another reason eyenze ukuthi uRulani Mukwena alahlekelwe umsebenzi ku-Sundowns. But abantu bathulile namhlanje bashayela uHugo Bruce izandla. Hugo Bruce azange eze ne-combination. Ngikhombe i-combination uHugo Bruce eze nayo kuBafana Bafana. Abantu besingazi ukuthi ba-good together. Ngikhombe abekho because umane uyenzani uphika ku-Sundowns, uyenza i-cut and paste ku-Sundowns. Thatha i-backline yonke ye-Sundowns. Just uyenza njalo. Ayikho ithi akekho la utheni uze ne-combination. It's always picking ama-player ane-combination already. So leyo akusi-good coach. Nayi good coach. Mr. Mukwena, we thank you. La ukhona khona muntu omdala siyabonga. Danko.